In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set importance for an email in Outlook. When a message truly can't wait, marking it as high importance adds a clear visual cue for your recipients, helping them spot it more quickly in a crowded inbox. It typically shows a red exclamation mark and can also trigger certain inbox rules or focused views depending on the recipient's settings. Use it sparingly so it keeps its meaning. First, go to Outlook. Open Outlook in your web browser or the Outlook app. If you're on the web, sign into your account and head to your mail view so you can see your inbox and folders. Give the page a second to load. You should see the main toolbar across the top. Next, click New. This is the button you use to start a new item. In the web experience, it sits near the upper left corner of the screen. Clicking it opens a small menu of options. From that menu, click Mail. That tells Outlook you want to compose an email rather than create a calendar event or anything else. A new message window will open with fields for to, subject, and the message body, plus a formatting toolbar. Now click High Importance. Look along the top of the Compose window for the importance controls. The High Importance button usually looks like an exclamation point and may be labeled High. One click toggles it on, and you'll see the indicator light up to confirm the setting. If you change your mind, clicking it again turns it off. With high importance applied, your message will carry that urgent flag when it arrives, making it more visible to your recipients. A few quick tips to make this work even better. Pair the high importance flag with a clear, specific subject line, such as a deadline or action needed, so people immediately understand why it's marked urgent. In the first sentence of your email, briefly state what you need and by when. Remember that importance doesn't guarantee delivery or a read receipt. It's a signal, not a command. If something is truly time critical, consider following up through your team's agreed upon channel after you send the email. That's all there is to it. Go to Outlook, click New, choose Mail, and then click High Importance. Use thoughtfully. This small step helps your most urgent emails get the attention they deserve.